In this lesson, we learn how to factor trinomials. The expression on the screen is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Later in the video, we will factor it completely. A trinomial of the form x squared plus bx plus c can often be written as parentheses x plus m times parentheses x plus n. To find m and n, we use one rule. They must multiply to c and add to b. Once you have that pair, the factoring is done. Let's look at the first example. X squared plus 7x plus 10. We look for two numbers that multiply to 10 and add to 7. 5 and 2 work, so the trinomial factors as parentheses x plus 5 times parentheses x plus 2. Our second example is x squared plus 3x minus 10. Now the numbers must multiply to negative 10 and add to 3. 5 and negative 2 work, so the answer is parentheses x plus 5 times parentheses x minus 2. And the third example, x squared minus x minus 6. We need numbers that multiply to negative 6 and add to negative 1. Negative 3 and positive 2 work, so we write parentheses x minus 3 times parentheses x plus 2. The pattern parentheses x plus m times parentheses x plus n always expands to x squared plus parentheses m plus n times x plus mn. That is why m and n must multiply to c and add to b. Now we factor the main example. X squared plus 5x plus 6. We need two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. 2 and 3 work. So the trinomial factors as parentheses x plus 2 times parentheses x plus 3. It's time for the key ideas. Match, multiply to c and add to b. The pattern parentheses x plus m times parentheses x plus n gives x squared plus parentheses m plus n times x plus mn. If c is positive, m and n have the same sign. If c is negative, m and n have different signs. Now try this one. X squared plus 8x plus 12. Factor it completely and write your answer in the comments. If this lesson helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and share it with someone learning algebra.